Is your diaper full? Is your diaper full? I see a lizard on your head. I see a lizard on your head.
There's no lizard.
I see a lizard on your head. Did you feel the lizard? It jumped off. Where'd the lizard go? Uh-oh. Is it around your diaper? Nope.
You guys talking? You talking to your cousin? Yeah. Are you talking to your cousin? She likes it when you talk to her.
See your eyes? Oh, the pain. Oh, the horror. Oh, I see you. Oh, where's the girl that I love? I see you. Then I get the hand to give you a kiss.
Oh.
And then she gets to hold me. I get to get a little freaky.
Hi, Amanda.
And then we
Hi, Amanda.
get to change
Hi.
her diaper.
Hi. Is Emily talking to you?
Hi.
Is Emily talking to you?
We pull up your hand. Let go.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of whining.